About time. Yep, say hi, Sam. Yeah, no, so we're probably about to do this, and it's hot as
fucking balls. Almost 1 o'clock. I was fucking blazing. No fucking sight. Goddamn.
I'm gonna have to edit some of that out.
Look at that.
But you guys get the point. So we're about to start installing the stabilizer bar that I've been meaning to do for a while now. I had it in my room for 2 years, or actually a year. And yeah, no, it's definitely not nice out here right now. But we'll let you go. I'll put your shoe in a short stand and continue doing this. So see you guys in a little bit.
Alright. This will be what, like a 14? 14.
Cool. All right, everything's there.
Everything's there?
Yep, except for instructions, so we're gonna have to go manual. What's going on, Sam?
Fucking hot, man. Fucking making mistakes, doing it twice.
Hey, man, it's a learning process. It's a learning process. At least next time I do it to the Civic, I know what to do and what not to do.
Alright.
Yeah, but rear stabilizer bar's out. Old. Nice and beefy one in there. And of course my paw prints all over it.
Yeah, no shit. Both of us.
What do you think?
So far it's a learning experience. You gotta learn to fucking do things right the first time.
Hey.
That's alright.
Next is still your clips.
Yeah,
too.
it's fine, dude.
Yeah, so that's still next. How hot is it today? 117, 119?
Oh, dude, it must be like 112, 113 right now. Don't tell my wife you broke my tool.
So yes, we broke a reducer. Although,
What's that many fucking adapters on there, bro?
my bad.
Like we were trying to make a MacGyver adapter. We had all the pieces right there.
As soon as you can see, it's all done. Thank you, Sam.
I had to use my little fucking girly hands to get in there.
Your fingers will not fit in there. Alright, so
It's always a good thing to have a friend with small hands.
it's a tiny space behind this bolt right here. You gotta fit a nut between this frame right here and this brace right here. And my fingers couldn't fit in there. I was like
Me, I got it in one shot.
Oh yeah, so there's that. Definitely a learning experience, and will we do it again? Well, of course we would. But
It was worth it though. It was fun. Learning experience. Always good.
Oh yeah, no, Sam's gotta go. He's gotta go home.
I got two.
I mean, we all got kids nowadays.
My wife thinks I'm just having fun and I'm like sweating balls out here. We did brakes too.
Yeah, did the brakes on this. It's all good. Had a, I mean, brakes.
No brakes, like fully shot brakes.
This dude over here, right, with no brake fluid, trying to go back to his old times and just stop with his bare feet.
ancestors taught me well. Got those native feet, bro. Calling you when you're coming around, tripping out moose over there.
Right. However, though, I didn't film as much as I wanted to because we just want to get this done. It's hot out here. And I got some other news too. You guys tell me what you see and if there's anything wrong with this. Just trying to see which one of you guys are paying attention. So that's the passenger side. We're on to the driver's side. You guys tell me if you see anything missing or something weird. I was not too happy with it. Let's just say I was not happy.
I was shocked. Not gonna lie.
But finally got the stabilizer bar installed. And another tip, I know one of you guys commented on there, so I said, look, I still got my door handle. What I've always done is, what I've always done, same thing with the Civic, I've always done this. As soon as it opens, just grab here and open the door. It just saves the handle. I mean, all the extra weight from the doors themselves while trying to open it.
I have like 2 sets of DSM handles on mine too, so
like he said, same thing with anybody who owns any DSMs. You know, you guys know the truth. This is the story behind the handles as well. So that's why I still have my door handles. Yeah, my Civic, I still got the original door handles too. But yeah, no, that's a nice little tip right there for those of you that didn't know. Those guys know, well, you guys already know. But in the words of Biggie Smalls,
and if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
if you don't know, now you know. But yeah, no, thanks. That'll be it for today. Sam's trying to go home. I'm trying to go back inside, chill in the air conditioning.
I'm trying to fucking cool down, dude. Not getting in this weather.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to chill right now inside, cool down with my son inside. He's waiting for me. So we might play a little bit of Minecraft just together or whatever he wants to play on his Nintendo Switch. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Major difference. I can definitely feel how stiff it is back there now, and it just feels completely different from what it did before. And I gotta say, I love it so far. And yeah, no, right now we're just kind of going out to eat. Got my buddy here with me. But yeah, no, he was hungry and I got done doing that. So, you know what, let's go get something to eat. But yeah, no, shout out to Sam. Thank you for helping me out, man. Definitely needed some help doing so. Especially as we were talking about my fingers not fitting in certain places, so. But yes, if you guys haven't seen or haven't figured out what's missing on my car, the passenger side skirt's missing. Yeah, that carbon fiber side skirt that Royce gave me, well, only got the driver's side left, passenger one's gone. I've tried looking for it. I've gone back to the same place where I've driven through on a daily basis. Can't find anything at all. So it's long gone, so I need to figure something out. I really love the side skirts, to be honest. So I just gotta figure something out as far as getting something else now. I found a set of side skirts, however, no one makes carbon fiber ones anymore. So I found some material to be like, it's kind of like a lace you can put on top of it. The side skirts that I want, they're still fiberglass. However, they don't have the carbon finish. So I'm gonna have to do some of that and then adapt the 50-50 to it like I did to the ones that Royce gave me, which I'm missing one now. But yeah, no, she just got here she just got to the point where we're gonna get something to eat. My son and I are gonna sit down, enjoy our time, and I just want to keep up with. I just want to give you small guys update. And no, right now I need new tires too. I just checked all 4 tires, or one of them already came out last Friday. I had a flat, and I just see the rest of the 3 tires, and they're completely worn out. They're about to start showing wire, which is not a good thing. And I don't have any money right now for them either, so I gotta have to figure something out. But that's much for the update. Stabilizer bar, like I said, I had it for over a year, and it's just chilling in my closet. So it's finally out, and it made a major difference on how it feels. And I love it. I love it so far. But yeah, no, that's the update for today. Thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you, Sam. Thank you for helping me out and letting me see this. Thank you for letting me come over. I needed help. Thank you.